So today we will see how Jenkins send notification through email when the build is success or when the build is failed. So here you can see the flow chart. Suppose we are suppose we will build any project, and there is a post build action, right? Previous class I showed you there is a post build action when the build is the ambient clean package is complete, then the post build action will work. So in this post build action we will set up when the build is success, right? You can see here when the build is success, uh, one mail is no one notification mail is generated, and then after its success, then it will directly go to the deployment, right? And when the build is failed, right, when the build is failed, it's stopped. Actually don't go to the deployment. It's stopped, and the notification will send to the our developer, right, with the complete log, right? When the build is fed, the notification will send to our developer, and with the complete logs, then developer can find out the bug or any issue in their code and fixed it, and again pushed into the remote repository, right? So this will required for the AWS. Actually, the email service is required for our SNTP server, right? So here we will use the SNTP server as the our AWS simple email service, right? So let's do the setup first. Okay, so this is my Jenkins server, right? And okay, first do some setup. Go to the manage Jenkins and copy this URL first and go to system. First, you have to provide the base URL because it always changes when I stopped the instance and restart the instance. It will change the URL, right? Just wait, it will take time. Yes. Okay, here go down, and you can see the Jenkins URL, right? But it's a different URL, right? Our Jenkins is running on this URL, but here is the different URL. Let me change this one. Okay, now it's changed. And system admin email address, right? It is mandatory because when we will go for the email notification, if we will not give our system admin email address, then the email cannot send, right? Actually the email address, through this admin email address, uh, email will send to our any of our team member or developer, right? From this email address the mail will send, right? So let me give one email address. Okay, this is my email address and nothing to do here, just apply and save it. Okay, then go to our AWS account and set up the SMTP server through simple email service, right? What is simple email service? You can see here Amazon simple email service, SES. Just go. This is the one of the service of AWS, like EC2. This is one of the another service. So this is the dashboard of SES. First, it's loading time. Okay. So here you can see. Here you can see. um you can send free email in a day, that is 200, right? And here mail sent this 0, right? So let's do one thing. First we have to uh, uh, we have to verify our email address, right? So for verify our email address, go to the verified identities, right? Go to this section, because if you will verify the email address, then it will send those email, right? So create the identity and go for this email address. You can see here the domain also, you can provide your domain, right? So go for the email address and enter your email, 9@gmail.com, right? And default configuration, leave it. And okay, just create identity. Okay, you can see identity status. Okay, you can see the identity as a verification is pending, right? So you have to verify, right? Suppose your developer mail id or your team member mail id, you have to enter here. And the person, uh, they he or she have to verify the mail id. So go to my email and check one link may be provided by the AWS in through the email. So let me log into my email. Okay, you can see here. Just click on here and dear Amazon AWS web service customer, just click this URL and it will also verify, and we can see the status also. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully verified an email address. And go to here AWS and uh, just refresh it. Just refresh it. You can see the verification pending is verified. Just wait. Okay, go down. It's loading. Identity status is loading. Just wait. Now you can see this is verified, right? Then okay. Now similarly you can add another entity, right? So just create another entity. Go here and create another entity. Just click on email address and give another email ID. Right, create identity, and it will also show the verification pending. Go to the email address, my mail ID, and just refresh it. Okay, you can see here. Just click on it and click this link, and it will show congratulations, successfully verified. Congratulations, you have successfully verified an email address, right? So it's done. Close this, and also it's done, right? Close this one. Okay, wait, and okay, just refresh it. You can see the identity status. Okay, now it's verified. Let's go to the again verification, verified identity. You can see how many identity verified you can see here, right? So in this way you can verify your identity, and for a test you can send message, send email, right? So let me send test email. Okay, choose customize, and just give reply email and subject test, body is optional, here is optional, and send mail and see what will happen. Okay, successfully send and check my email. You can see here, go to the dashboard first. You can see here one mail sent. Okay, you can see here one mail sent, remaining to 199, right? And let me go to my e email and check any mail from. Okay, there is a one new mail thing. Okay, let me refresh it again. It will send mail, I think. Promotion mail. No, spam. Let me check in the spam. Here, spam mail, right? One spam mail is there, right? And this is the test, right? And body is empty, right? From via Amazon, here is the sender, right? This mail id, from this mail id it will send, but via this Amazon, right? Amazon.com, right? So it's working. So you can test here the email is working or not. You can test here. Then set up the SNTP server, right, for our Jenkins. Go to the SNTP setting, and you can see here this simple mail transaction protocol, right? The full form is SNTP setting, right? So in this SNTP, the requirement is SNTP endpoint, right? So this is the SNTP endpoint, and we have to provide the credential to the Jenkins, right? Then actually, why it's required, the credential, why it's required? Because how Jenkins will figure out which SNTP server the Jenkins will take, right? From this credential, Jenkins will figure out this AWS account, this AWS accounts SNTP server Jenkins will used, right? So create a SNTP credential. Just click, just click here, create SNTP credentials. Then one new window will open. Okay, just wait. It will. It is very slow. Okay, just go down and create a user. Basically, it's a IAM, Identity Access Management thing, and we will learn this IAM in the next class, in the AWS class, right? Don't worry for this. Just download this one, okay, and save for the future reference. Download this one and save it for the future reference. You can just open this one. Just open it. You can see one. You can see here, right? I am user, and this is the SNTP user. This is the what? This is the access key, and this is one. This is the secret access key. This is the password. Means this is the username and this is the password, right? And this is the timestamp, right? So our requirement is these two things: SNTP username and SNTP password, right? And now go to the Jenkins server, right? And this is the reference thing. I have taken the screenshots, right? So SMTP server. Okay, use the SMTP authentication. Okay, go down. Again, go to the manage Jenkins and go down. Go to the system. Here we have to provide the all the credential and SMTP endpoint. It is very slow. Okay, do one thing. Let me change my nature. And so, can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So go down here and search for here SNTP setup email notification like this thing. Go down. Go down. You can see here SNTP server. No, this is not the SNTP. Okay, go down once. Go down. You can see. Yes, I think just wait. Which one? SNTP server one, right? So this is not SNTP server. And click if you click this and this one. Okay. Okay. Advanced. Okay, this one. So here is the uh, SNTP server setting, right? Actually, I have taken the screenshot because there is a two SNTP server setting. So for reference, I have taken this screenshot for not confuse here, right? So provide the endpoint here, SNTP endpoint, right? Go to our AWS account and copy this endpoint, right? And let's close this one and paste it here, right? And what happened? Okay, just go again. Okay, what happened? The endpoint. It will work, I think. Why it will not work? Copy this one and then get shortcut using the. Okay, just paste it here. Why it will show this type? I need to help. Okay, I think net issue. Just reload this one. Just wait, it will take time to load. Okay, so click this endpoint. Just a minute, it's not working. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, now it's taken and go to the advanced setting, right? And use this one, use SNTP authentication and provide the username, right? The username is this one. Copy this one and paste it here, right? And password, this is the password, SNTP server password, right? And click this one, use the just let me no SSL, right? Click the SSL, click the SSL, right? And leave this one. Okay, just test receipt mail ID. I'm giving another mail ID. Start. have test here, right? Okay, just test. Okay, mail was successfully sent, right? Let me check. Just refresh it. Okay, it's yes, this is the test mail, right? This is the test mail one sent from the Jenkins, right? So you can see here, this is the mail ID, right? This is the mail ID, our admin mail ID. Yeah. I have set up this admin mail ID in our Jenkins, right? From this mail ID, right? From this mail ID, it will send from this mail ID. This is the uh, recipient mail ID, right? The admin mail ID sent to the recipient mail ID. Yeah. So it's very important to set up the what admin mail ID. If you not set up the admin mail ID, then how Jenkins will know which one is the admin mail ID, and Jenkins will send mail, right? And one thing you have to taking in mind that those mail ID you will used in the Jenkins, it should be verified by the Amazon simple email service, right? Then it will work, right? Because we have used the SNTP server of Amazon, right? So let me apply and set this, right? Just set this. So, so our SNTP server uh, integration with Jenkins is completed, and we have also give the we had also seen the test mail also, right? Then we have to uh, set up the email notification service in our pipeline, right? So for that, go to create a new job first, new job, and name it as email notification, notification, and select the pipeline. Just click on OK, right? So it's loading. Let me show the configuration Jenkins file, right? Okay, it's loading. Just wait. Okay, let me show you the okay. You can see this. Uh, we will use this Jenkins file, right? So previously we have already seen this thing, right? We have the build stage, right? In the build stage, right? In the build stage, we have this ambient clean package. It will create a package, right? It will create a package through the ambient maven cycle, right? And after this, when it will create a package, then there is a post build action, right? In the post build action, we have two sections, right? One is the success, right? This is the success, and in this success section, right, we will archive our artifact, and also if it the success, right? If our build is success, means our code is everything is fine, then it will success. In this success, it will provide this mail id, right? This provide the provide this email, right? So let me change this one, mail id. Okay, just give, yes, this is the verified mail id. I'm giving the verified mail id. Just copy this one and paste it here, right? And this is the fail, right? If the build is failed, then it will give this mail, right? Give this mail, right? So let me copy this one and go to the our GitHub account and create a new branch, right? Create a new branch. So it will be dev 1.2, create a branch. Okay, create a branch and go to the Jenkins file and edit this one. Just delete, paste it here and commit. I will show you how you will get just refresh this. I will show you how you will get this email body, these things, right? How you will get these things, right? So let me first set up the Jenkins pipeline. So for that, go to the GitHub account and copy the code. Oh, sorry, just go back and copy the repository link and go down here, set up the SEM and select the Git and keep the repository URL, and credential is not required because this is our public URL, and the branch dev 1.2. I think it's 1.2. Yes, it's fine. And apply and save it, right? So our job configuration is set up, and how you will get, you can get this just go to the Jenkins file, how we will get these things, right? Body, email, legs, this thing, how we will get, right? So there is a pipeline syntax, right? This is the pipeline syntax. You can follow this pipeline syntax and it will give the how we will generate the mail, and we will use this one, the snippet generator, right? In this snippet generator, sample steps, you can follow these steps, like here is the email extension, you can see, right? And you can just give advanced one, right? Okay, so this is the script, right? From two, right? Two means from who is the uh, who is your recipient, right? So I'm giving my recipient mail id, this one. Okay, then after gmail.com. Okay, then subject.
Yeah, unmuted sound.
Hello, hello. Okay, okay. Just a minute. Okay, just refresh it. Uh, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. A network issue. Okay, fine. So this is the recipient mail ID, and here the body. Suppose I am giving like subject is this one. Suppose I'm copying this one, success built, and this is the subject, right? And the body is this one. Let me just copy this one, right? And body this one, right? And this is the advanced things, eh? Suppose this is the advanced things. This is, I am attach the build log, right? Just click the build log, right? And generate the pipeline syntax, right? So it will generate the pipeline syntax. Let me check it is same or not. No, it's not same. So just copy this one. You can do like this. Okay, just copy this one and go to the Jenkins file, just edit. Okay, and paste it here. Just paste it here, right? And also, okay, same thing. Hmm. Okay, and also do the same thing here. Just copy these things and paste it here. Failed section, right? Everything is same, I think. Yes, yes, true. The failed, right? Okay, now commit changes. In this way, you can create this syntax through the our Jenkins snippet generator, right? So let me go to, just duplicate this one and go to the dashboard, right? And go to the email notification and build now. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's check the console output. Okay, finish build success. Okay, you can see here sending mail to this email address, right? So let me check this mail address. Just refresh it. There is no email. check the all mail. The mail ID. Let me check the mail ID is right or wrong. Mail ID is correct. Okay, giving the artifact, mail text, everything is fine. So mail ID, why it's not send a mail ID? All mail, right? Okay, spam. It's showing the success. Okay, let me check this one. This is the test mail. Okay, motion. Just wait. Everything is fine, I think. Yes, and you can see here it also sending and successful. Everything is successful, right? I think it will send mail. I think some network issue, that's why it's not showing the mail, but it will show the mail here with the console output. Just wait. Okay, so do one thing. Let's change the snippet generator format, whether it will work. Just go to the this. Let's check. Okay, receive done. And it's not required actually. Is it the build user? Just do these things. It's not required. This is the correct one. Yes. And it's not required. Okay. This thing is fine. Okay, you can check. In your case, maybe it will work. So in this way, you can send the email, right? Okay, so let's check the manage Jenkins and go to the settings. And I think actually I forgot to mention the port number, right? That's why the mail is did not send. So let's give. I have already tested this thing, and I forget to give the port number. Let me show you where you have to provide the port number. Just go down in the last section, right? In the this is I have a email notification, right? And in the advanced section, I have provide the username and the credential and SSL. And here, actually, I forgot to mention the port number, right? The SNTP port number is 465, right? And apply and save this. Just giving after this port number, just save this and again go to the snippet generator and snippet generator tag build trigger, right? Just copy this thing and go to our Jenkins file and replace this thing again. Just paste it and commit changes, right? And go to the build and again build it. Just build now. Let's see our console output. With console output is we are getting from the mail or not. Just wait. Okay, now it's success. Now send mail to this mail ID, right? Let me check. Okay, you can see. Just click on it. Where is the just click on it, right? And here you can see congratulations, your build is success. And just click here. You can see the console output here, right? Just actually it's helpful. The developer cannot go to it's not required developer go to the Jenkins server and check what is the error the developer get from their code, right? So this you can see the build is success. Means everyone can know, our team also member also know the our build is success, right? By this getting this mail. So let me do some changes, like I am changing some from our side, right? From DevOps side, just I am changing something, like it will give some error, right? So let me do here. mm, Suppose I am giving MVN in place of MVN, I am giving suppose A, right? This is the mistake from my end. Yeah. So again build and see what will happen. Just build now. Okay, now it's failed. Why it's failed? Just check. Okay, okay. Now it's failed because of why it's failed, because we already know these things, why it's failed. Just check the mail, right? Just check the mail and see the output. Okay, you can see here the failed build, right? Actually we have set up this thing, so that's why the post build action you can let me go to my GitHub account and show the here. You can see here, if the post build action, if the build is success, then this post build success is worked. And if this is the fail, right? It is a fail. and it will show these things, means the body is sorry, your build is failed, and subject these things build failed, these things, and with the attached console output attached, right? So this is the, you can see it's the failed, subject failed, you can see here is a success build, right? Sorry, your build is failed, and will get also the console output for why our build is failed, right? Why our build is failed, you can see here mvna clean package, right? And so it's not you can see command not found, this command is not there, so why it's found, where it will found, right? So let me edit this one and fix this. So in this way you can configure your email notification.